Maa Saraswati, the science of clarity. She does not arrive with thunder. She arrives with silence, the stillness, where noise dissolves, where fear softens, where the nervous system exhales, there Saraswati begins. She is not outside you. She is the moment. Your present. Your breath slows, your jaw loosens, your thoughts stop fighting each other. In the brain, she awakens the pathway of meaning. The memory aligning with wisdom, language finding its rhythm, and left and right hemisphere learning to speak to one another. Science calls it neural integration. The soul calls it grace. She flows through the hippocampus, where memory is not a storage but story. Through the prefrontal cortex, where impulses bows to discernment. When the mind is safe, learning is no longer forced. Curiosity rises like a prayer. Creativity hums like a veena. It's like a veena. Humming sound. Intelligence become gentle. Saraswati is not loud knowledge. She is quiet knowing. Psychologically, she is the child who was never shamed for asking. The voice that was never silent. The mind that was allowed to wonder. Believe in magic without being called wrong. Where trauma tightens the throat, she begins breathe. Where fear frees expression, she begins sound. The sound of humming. Show hum. I am that I am. Writing, speaking truth, everything she is. Each in an invocation. Her white is not purity. It is absence of mental clutter. Her swan is not a symbolism. It is discernment, the ability to choose the truth from a flood of noise. When Saraswati flows, thought don't rush, word don't wounds. Knowledge does not dominate, it illuminates. She reminds us wisdom is not stored in effort, but revealed in regulation, not achieved through pressure, but received through presence, in knowingness. Then, so sit, breathe, soften the body and notice. As the mind comes, she is already there.